Good morning. I'm now in Serendah with Sasi
Good morning.
and Alan.
Hi, return!
From Kuala Lumpur to Serendah will take about 45-minute driving. At Kampung Dato Harun here, you'll see many of restaurants here. Most of them are selling Chinese food here. And there's also a Malay store selling Malay food like fried noodle, fried mee hoon, curry puff.
Hảo靚啊！你嘅魚蝦都好靚啊！
靚。
真係大隻啊！
我呢度賣30幾年咯，算咪咁樣賣。
What you want to buy? Soya soap bottle ah? You can finish ah?
Ada kecil.
Boleh soya. Boleh.
Alan, you buy what? Hả? Kaya ko ah? Wow!
In your Waze and Google Map, you type and search Air Terjun Serendah. It will show you the way. You will come to a junction. There's a sign right there, Air Terjun Serendah. So that's the right way already. Please take note, we arrived at the Air Terjun Serendah, but this is not our campsite. We just pass by and go straight to head to the off-road. We'll drive another 1 kilometer before we reach the campsite. This is Kampung Tasek Serendah. This is from the front. I fly all the way to the back. When you arrive there, park the car, come to the house to register and pay the fees. There are motocross for rent. The parking fees will be 5 ringgit for motorbike, 15 ringgit for car. At the center of the campsite, you'll see there's a counter selling simple foods and drinks. At the table, you will see a menu to show for the renting the variety of tents, and also there's a menu for foods, and the price is already displayed there. Also, there's a few games for you to choose and to rent. Beside the campsite, there's a river for you to enjoy playing the water. At the campsite, there's two public toilets. One is near at the counter and the other one is at the end, as shown here. Each public toilet have two showers and two water closets. Here also provide two power points for you to charge your battery, but there are certain times are available. The toilet is quite clean as shown in the video. This is my hammock I set at the end of the campsite. Now we are gathering to go to another waterfall.
So we are going for waterfall trekking. It'll be about 1 hour, easy going trek. Okay, so children also can follow. And this waterfall is still in the pristine condition. So the name of the waterfall is Lata Engang. Okay, so it's a cloudy weather and we shall be making our move in the next 5 minutes. Hopefully everybody will be gathering here soon. Alright. Okay.
Now we are gathering to go to Engang Waterfall.
Any funny poses again?
1, 2, 3.
Firstly, we need to cross the river. When heading to the waterfall, please be careful. Sometimes there's a motorbike pass by. During rainy season, the route might be quite wet and muddy and slippery, so please be careful.
now is 6 p.m. It's raining, so we all stay in our own hammocks or tents to relax for a while. So later, maybe around 7 something, we'll make some tea, to have a tea break, you know. Maybe to have some biscuit. We just now buy from Serendah. So now can't do anything. Just only can sit here yo-yo swing. But it's quite cooling. Come, have a drink of coffee. Hot premium coffee. Yum yum, that's nice.
At night, there will be a light, but the light will provide until 10:30 only. This I'm taking with the night vision video. After we left the campsite, we go back to the Air Terjun Serendah. Well, I hope you enjoy watching this video. So I hope this information will help you to visit this place. So if you like my channel, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much. See you next time.